Hey guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to find the value of 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. So let's see. So division works from left to right. So 5 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5 divided by 5. So 1 divided by 5 means 1 over 5 divided by 5. Now here 1 over 5 divided by 5 means 1 over 5 square equal 1 over 25. So this can be found with another method. So another method is 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. Okay, so here we can write 5. So 5 divided by 5, we can write multiplication of inverse of 5. So inverse of 5 is multiplication of inverse of 5, 1 over 5, divided by 5, multiply by inverse 5, 1 over 5, divided by 5, multiply by inverse 5, means 1 over 5. So here 5 and 5 cancel out. So what's remaining? 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 5. So what is the result? 1 over 25. Thank you very much.